India has a wide range of climatic conditions that are favorable to the growth of various kinds of crops. Let us see how the climatic conditions influence the cropping patterns in India. The annual rainfall and the annual temperature vary from region to region. These variations are responsible for the different climatic zones, which in turn are responsible for the different cropping patterns all over the country. India receives rainfall mainly in the monsoon season, between June and September. However, rainfall is not distributed evenly throughout the country. The northeastern and southwestern parts receive the heaviest rainfall, while Rajasthan in northwest India receives very little rain. Most other parts of India receive moderate rainfall. India's natural vegetation and agriculture depend heavily on these annual rains. Although India lies mainly in the tropical zone, it is divided into 5 zones based on the average annual temperature. The temperature ranges of the zones are below 20 degrees centigrade, 20 to 22.5 degrees centigrade, 22.5 to 25 degrees centigrade, 25 to 27.5 degrees centigrade, above 27.5 degrees centigrade. Depending upon the annual rainfall and temperature, India can be broadly classified into 6 major climatic subtypes. These are montane or alpine, humid subtropical, tropical wet and dry, tropical wet, semi-arid, arid. The 2 major cropping patterns followed in India are Kharif and Rabi. These patterns are primarily based upon the seasons in which sowing and harvesting take place. Kharif crops are sown in the monsoon season and harvested in autumn. These crops are also known as summer crops or autumn crops. Rice, soya bean, maize, groundnut and sugarcane are some of the important Kharif crops of India. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in spring. These crops are also known as winter crops. Wheat, peas, mustard, linseed and barley are some of the important Rabi crops of India. Thus we can see that the diverse climatic conditions greatly influence the kind of crops and when they are grown. Is it any wonder that a wide variety of crops are grown in India?